Hi, today I'm going to talk about beading hoops. They're actually really useful and versatile. And I'm going to make a pair of earrings using the micro-faceted tourmaline, watermelon tourmaline. So this is a beading hoop. It's tempered and holds its shape. This is the 25 mm. And what I'm going to do is, well, I've started threading this. I'm going to finish threading the rest of it. It has to be with a large hole. Some of the Indian cut semi-precious stones, the holes are really small. And I'm going to show you, these are a lot bigger. It's not hard to do once you see, you can see the hole. Okay, so that's moves very easily. Then what I do is take a pair of pliers and bend it a little bit, the tip, so that it's easy to guide through, like such. And then I'm going to bring it further out and have a loop right through. So there you have it. And if it so happens in the process you squished it, just pull it back a little bit. You can hammer it slightly if you wish, and then just add your hook. Now, should it be the case that you want to have, say, a briolette drop in the middle, halfway through the threading, you just add it on with a jump ring, or if you're going to wire wrap this way, you do that in the middle. That'll be pretty as well. And I've just decided to use drops all the way up to here. You can put it all the way to the top, and that'll be pretty as well.